This is the elevator at Saks Fifth Avenue, mall at UTC in Sarasota, Florida. We're gonna go at 2. These are some rare Kone design fixtures. Because look at this, the panel goes all the way from the top to the bottom of the car. Floor to ceiling panel. Here we are at 2. We're gonna go back down to 1. There's your inspection certificate. It's an old one. It says expired August 2024. And I'm filming this in December. We're gonna go back to 2. As expected, the indicator changes immediately. Stainless steel cab. Although the sides are a slightly different color. They're like more of a gold color. Here are your key switches, fixtures. And that'll be it.